PUNDI-X holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Welcome back to another video, my friends. As you know, my friends, today is the last day of the June month, and what will be the change occurring in the PUNDI-X and the July month? You know what? In this video, we are going to discuss the future of the PUNDI-X. So keep watch this video complete. And before starting this video, please I request everyone to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, in this time, the latest price of the Pundix is 0.002 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Pundix, my friends. And you know what? It is the last of June, so that is why the price is start increasing, and absolutely very soon they are going to hit a 1 USD dollar, my friends. Don't worry about the price of the Pundix, my friends. So now it is time the changes is positive. So what should we do in this time, my friends? My friends, you can see here the market cap is zero still, and my personal advice for all of you is that please buy more and more Pundix. If you want to make a good amount of profit with the Pundix and the July month, so you know what, and the last day you can see here the previous last 1 week change occurred in the Pundix is negative, but last 24 hours from yesterday the Pundix starts positive jump. So absolutely they continue this pump for long term. And today is the last day of the June, so absolutely, you know what, my prediction tell me that Pundix will continue this pump throughout this whole July month. So that is why I really recommend for everyone to buy more and more Pundix if you want high amount of profit. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.